Today, the BMA Commissioner, Dr. Masiapatu, will announce the 6 successful bidders that have been selected to physically demolish and rebuild South Africa's 6 busiest land ports of entry as part of a transformative public-private partnership. This project, worth an estimated 12.5 billion rand, constitutes the single biggest investment ever made by the South African government in upgrading our country's border management and immigration system. The 6 ports of entry that will be rebuilt are Lebombo, Beitbridge, Oshoek, Kopfontein, Maseru Bridge, and Vicksburg. These 6 ports sit at the center of regional trade and movement. Together, they account for an astonishing 80% of cross-border trade and passenger flows through South Africa's land borders. Their performance has a direct impact on economic growth, revenue collection, and national security. For many years, as we all know, these high-volume corridors have, however, been under significant strain. Congestion, outdated infrastructure, and fragmented systems have slowed down trade and increased the cost of doing business. At the same time, these conditions have created an environment that is vulnerable to abuse. As the Special Investigating Unit, amongst others, have documented, weaknesses have been exploited through illegal immigration, illicit trade, and fraudulent practices that undermine both revenue collection and the rule of law. In some areas, informal crossings and workarounds have eroded the integrity of our border environment. The project we launched today therefore represents the start of a new era in South African border management, further building upon the digital transformation program that is now well underway across the immigration ecosystem. It forms part of the BMA's broader commitment to strengthen border security, improve the movement of goods and people, and support economic growth through modern, technology-driven infrastructure. By completely redesigning our border posts around the latest world-class technology, embracing a public-private partnership model that breaks new ground for us as a country, and adopting the one-stop border post concept, we are fundamentally redesigning how our borders operate. And ladies and gentlemen, as DM said, you can see the pieces of the puzzle starting to fit together. The one-stop border post bill that went through Parliament, the technological work we've done to lay the foundation for modern border infrastructure, and now, crucially, the infrastructure component becoming reality.